to see again. Go grab a book and come learn and play, my friend. Virtual reading is how we all connect around here. It's story time with Mrs. C again. Go grab a book and come learn and play, my friend. Virtual reading is how we all connect around here. Go grab a book and come learn and play, my friend. It's story time with Mrs. C again. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to another virtual story time here at the Enfield Library. It's me, Mrs. C, and in the background we have
KJ.
KJ is in the background. She's trying to get set up for our story time. And today we have a strange book, don't we, KJ?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is there a such thing as a terrible book?
No.
There's not a such thing as a terrible book, is it, boys and girls? Let's think about it. It might be a such thing as a terrible book, but you know, books are supposed to be fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, today we're going to read a story that says, this is a terrible book. Will you help me fix it? And the book is written and illustrated by Megan West. KJ, do you think this is a terrible book?
No.
No. Well, I guess we're going to have to find out. Do you want to find out if this is really a terrible book? Well, let's get ready to read. This is a terrible book. This is a terrible book. Will you help me fix it? Do we need to help him fix this book?
Yes, Mrs. C.
What's the first thing you notice about this book? What color is it?
It's white.
It's white and black. Do you know a whole lot of books who are just plain, like black and white?
No.
No. So do you think it's going to be interesting?
Uh-huh.
You do? You still
Yes.
think it's going to be interesting?
Yes.
Well, let's find out. This is a terrible book by Megan West. Will you help me fix it? Uh-oh! You picked a terrible book. It has no setting, conflict, or pictures. What's the setting of a story? Do you know?
No, I do not know.
You don't
Mrs.
know?
C.
The setting of the story is where the story takes place. We don't even know where this story takes place. It's just a white page, right?
Yes, Mrs. C.
Okay. It says, look at me. Look at him. He looks plain.
He looks so white and has no hair. He doesn't even have no clothes on.
I'm the only character. And I don't even look interesting. Does he look interesting to you?
He doesn't look interesting, Mrs. C.
I'm so light that you could blow me away. Try to blow him away. Let's blow. Oh, wow. Is he blowing away?
He's probably gonna blow away.
Ah! See? But, nah. You wouldn't want to help me, would you? You want to help him?
Yes, Mrs. C. I would love to help him.
You will help me?
Yes.
Great! Turn the page. Let's turn the page. First, we need a setting. What did I say a setting was?
Is when the story takes place.
It's where the story takes place. What kind of setting do you think he needs?
He needs like a school or home or maybe the beach.
Okay. Right now, I'm surrounded by nothingness. A good story needs a place for all the action to happen. It's awfully bright, and I've got nothing to do. Will you tap on the page? Tweety, tap on the page for me. Can you tap on the page? Let's see if we can make something happen. Ah! You turned out the lights. Tweety Bird, you turned out the light.
I'm sorry.
Try tapping on the page again, Tweety. Let's see what happens. Interesting. You turn on the stars. Now, where is our setting taking place? It's where?
It's probably at the stars.
Yeah, but it's called the outer space. The setting is taking place in the outer space.
Yes.
Wait. I can't breathe in space. Get me to the ground. Shake the book up and down. Let's shake the book. Shake the book. Shake the book. We gotta hurry up and get him to the ground so he can breathe. Blop, 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 blop. Too much. Too much. Too much. Turn, blop, blop, blop. The book, blop, blop. Turn it upside down. Blop, 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 blop. Oh, he can't breathe underwater, can he? This setting is still wrong. Oh no, what's happening?
He's on the tree.
Now I'm about to fall into the sky. Quick, quick, turn the book right side up. Turn the book right side up. Oh, we gotta help him. That's better. But it's freezing. Will you help rub the page to warm me up? Rub the page. Let's rub him. Rub him. Oh, let's make sure he's warm. Is he warm?
I think so.
Much better. Perfect setting. So what setting is he in now? Where this?
He's probably at the beach, Mrs. C.
This looks like a beach to you?
It looks like a lake.
It looks like a lake. Okay. But now we need a conflict. What's a conflict?
He needs another person in the story.
Now, conflict is what happens. It's a good problem that needs to be solved. It says all good stories have a problem to solve. Maybe we can make the book mad and give us a problem. You think we can make this book mad?
Oh, yes, we can make it mad.
Okay. He said try slapping the page. Slap it. I don't think that's very nice for slapping the book.
But he asked me to.
Not a monster!
Oh, no.
Swipe him off the page before he eats us! Swipe him! Phew, that was close. You know, we don't need more conflicts. You've been helping me solve a problem the whole time, making this book less terrible. We've already fixed the setting and we discovered the conflict. Great job. Great job. Pat yourself on the back. Let's pat ourselves on the
Let
back.
me pat myself on the back.
And let's turn the page. Let's talk about me now. I'm the only character in this book. A good story has at least one interesting person that talks and does stuff. But I'm so boring right now. Clap your hands once to turn me into something better. Let's clap. He said clap once. Oh no! You turned me into a fish! I can't breathe out of water! Clap again! Oh! No way. No way. I don't want to be a slimy. What is that? You turned him into a frog.
I'm so sorry.
What if someone steps on me?
Oh, he's probably gonna go dead.
Clap again. Let's clap again. Let's see if we can turn him into something better. Oh no!
He's a
I'm
pumpkin.
melting. This isn't working. I miss my boring, timeless book and simple self. He wants to go back to being boring.
Oh, but it was fun doing that.
I was so full of potential. Will you clap one more time? Let's clap one more time. Let's see what happens. Ah, yes. Much better, much better. Thanks so much for helping me fix this terrible book. We added, what did we add? We added different settings. We found the conflicts. And we played with fun characters.
Like the frog,
and the
fish,
fish
and the cupcake.
and the cupcake. If we change those things, we can make new stories every day. So you can change the story every time you read the book. But first, I need a nap before my next adventure. Will you turn off the lights? Just tap on the page. One last time. Tap on the page. Let's turn off the lights. The end. So, boys and girls, did you enjoy the story? Was this a terrible book? Was it a terrible book?
A little.
She thought it was a little, but didn't we make it interesting?
Yes, we make it interesting.
We told a brand new story. So at first, we had to create a what? A
setting.
A setting. And what's a setting?
Is where the story takes place.
It's where the story takes place. And then we created a conflict, which was a problem. What was one of the problems he had?
There was a monster.
There was a monster. And then we created different what?
Characters, because there was a fish, and there was a frog, and there was a cupcake.
Right. So you created a brand new story. And you know, every time you read a book like this, even though it looks simple and plain and boring, you can tell a brand new story every single time. So KJ, if you were to retell this story, where would your setting take place?
At home.
At home? And what would be the problem in the story?
I'll turn into a Barbie doll.
You would turn into a Barbie doll? And who would your characters in the story be?
My Barbie dolls that can actually talk.
That can actually talk. And will it have a sad ending or a happy ending?
A happy ending.
A happy ending. See, she created a brand new storyline for this book right here. So, you know, boys and girls, you can be creative and you can come up with your very own stories. Wouldn't that be excited to write our very own story, KJ?
Yes, it would.
Yes, it would. So I hope, boys and girls, that you decide to pick up a piece of paper and write your very own story and draw your very own characters and create a problem. And let's see how it turns out to be. If you're interested in this story, This Is a Terrible Book, you can get it right here at the Enfield Library. All you need is a library card. So make sure you come see Mrs. C and get your library card to start reading and creating your own stories. That's all the time that we have today for virtual story time. We can't wait to come back and share a brand new story with you. So until then, we'll see you the next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.